Hey everybody, welcome to another video here on Matt's Park Days on YouTube. And in today's video, we're saying farewell to Test Track and we're gonna ride it one more time. On June 16th, this attraction, this version of Test Track is gonna be gone forever. And honestly, I'm excited for it. I think it's time for a fresh new start for Test Track. And with inspiration with World of Motion and a few more inspirations, I think it's time for this baby to get a fresh coat of paint. Also guys, if you love this kind of content, if you love theme park knowledge, if you love fun facts, food reviews, and Test Track going off in the background, follow me on TikTok. The link is right down below. It's the same name as YouTube, so make sure to give me a follow as well there. Bye Test Track garbage can. You've done a good job. Enjoy retirement. Here we go. Test Track one more time. Doing this journey alone. I have my friend Woody here and Nathan, who is not on camera.
So if you're wondering what's going to happen at Test Track, they've only released 2 official pieces of concept art. Here's the first one they released. Take a good look. And then here's the second one. We just walked past that, you know.
Let's make our car.
It has so much power.
And that's where the passengers sit.
I love this.
We still have a minute.
Let's go back.
Now that we made the car, it's time to ride the car. So, now it's time to ride the ride. Let's do it one last time.
Welcome to the sim track. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to on-bar. SIM-car performance data acquired.
My God.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles perform when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning SIM-car for optimal Aging eco-scan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drag systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total.
Where's our car?
Second place.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. wireless technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
Here we go! That was so much fun. Woody, last time you rode it.
Rest in peace. Test Track 2.0.
Displaying power test results.
Rest in peace. Now, Woody, do you
Yes.
do you think they're gonna bring back selling cars in the post ride?
Oh yeah, that's the whole reason that Chevrolet sponsors the ride.
So they're gonna be people selling cars.
Oh yeah.
I honestly never gave this area a chance. Usually when I get off the ride, I just walk off and go to the gift shop or go get food or something. So to see that there's actually little fun prop areas to take pictures with your family, as well as see these other cars, like right over here, you have the cars on display. I mean, it's pretty cool, but I'm excited for a brand new, fresh restart for this ride. It's time. So guys, before the ride closes, I do have a tip for you. Grab yourself the Test Track merch before it's gone forever. When it opens up, you're gonna have Mickey. And you don't know if they're ever gonna bring these back, so I would grab these. They also have this goofy pin for Test Track as well. So like I said, I would make sure to get this merch before it goes away. All right guys, it's been real. Test Track, it is time for a new version of you. I'm excited to see what the future has in store for Test Track. But for the meantime, I guess it's time to just sit and wait. Thank you guys for being here for another video here on Matt's Park Days on YouTube. And if you're here in town before June 17th, make sure to give this ride some love because it's going away. Have a good one, guys.